Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off suggested accounts on your account on TikTok on email notification settings. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on this three lights here, click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, and here you will find email notifications. Click on it. Here as you see, you will find a suggested account. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.